Hello, Professor. I'm Uday. So I'm representing Team 35. So yeah, Yogesh Nipun Kartavya Uday Ansara. So let me go on through the project and our UI. Yes, yeah, yes. So this is a homepage for us. So as a patient, if I see this, I'll try to sign up over here to enter my details. So yeah, I'm entering some details here. So and my second name and this is my date of birth. Trying to enter here. So there's a date because oh yeah. Kiran, my username 123456, password, entering my details. So before able to create an account, I want to show some validations. So if the password doesn't matches, it shows a warning for us, and even the fields are required. Even we are tracking the user IDs, and we are checking whether all are unique IDs or not. So for now, I'm trying to create an account. So let me log in as a user. Okay, patient. So this is a patient. So I'm trying to log in as a patient. So this is a patient home screen where you can see his all the previous medical histories. If like I'm a new patient, so there are nothing over here. So even I can update my personal information. So yeah, I'm going over here. Okay, and able to select my date of birth, updating it. Yes, perfect. So I'm entering my email address, phone number, and insurance information, and my MMR details. So yeah, so here is the query we are trying to run. So we are trying to update the patient specific informations, and we are keeping all of the information safe. And so there is a logout feature. If we click on the logon, and we'll be still on the same page. On the next part is I'm trying to log in as a nurse. And enter the patient problems on his part. Yes, so let me search for the patient. Kiran Care. Mm, Let me select the date of birth and search. Yeah, it's there. So I'm entering my its height, weight, temperature, and his blood pressure details. Yeah, and now click on add. So, is there any health concerns? Yeah, I'm suffering from. So, as the patient is suffering from stomach pain, so I'm entering it. And allergies is avocado. Okay, allergies to avocado. So submit. Yeah. So I'm able to log in as a nurse and do my activity. And now I'm trying to log in as doctor and able to complete does the diagnosis. And now I'll try here to yes, such patient is done, and this is all his details. And now health issues is suffering from stomach pain, and I can diagnose it, and I'll recommend him to drink water. So prescription is esomeprazole. So this is the prescription saved diagnosis. His diagnosis report is saved, and even I can send his prescription to pharmacy. So and even there is a feature to delete the patient. So if the patient is not required, details are not required, we can even delete it. Right now, I'm not doing that. So log out, and then I'm entering as a user, and let me enter as a login. So this is all his patient previous history. You can see it now. So we are saving all the details here. The patient can see his history. So let me log in as another patient and see my messaging app. So we have messages. So we have to search for the doctor whom we have to talking to. So yeah, so hello. So if I want to contact, then these are the previous messages that are displayed, and if I want to again chat it, okay, select. So this is the UI for us, messaging where even doctor can contact the doctor. Sorry, the patient can contact the doctor. This is the professor. Thank you for giving this opportunity.